Alright guys, so doing a little bit of a different video again today. That was the last video. Just barely got the sighting of the garage shed bomb shelter. If you watched that video, if not, go watch it. Yeah, that part will make sense then. We're gonna do a little bit of a different video, and we're gonna actually Frankenstein these two. And I don't know exactly how this video is gonna go out. That's why it's so much different. So this is a Predator engine. I like the Predator engines. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know if it runs or not anything. I know that this one runs, so I'm going to take this one off. I'm going to take that one off, and I'm going to put that one on there. And then I'm going to take these tires off. And then strip the things that are holding it, the hubs. And then let's start with that, and then we'll see how this plays out. This video will be over like probably a week process or so. So let's jump into the time lapse. So I never have an argument and you really want them, go ahead, put it in the description and let me know. I will I might keep it that way. You might build it, but who knows? Like I have said previously in the channel, I might build one from scratch and make it a monster, where that one would just be a basic one again. But yes, more crazy big stuff coming to the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. The guy who was helping me was my best friend's little brother. His name's Carter. He has also been a test driver for me a few times on some go-karts. Thanks, Carter, for your help. So yeah, that's it for this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing on my channel, go out and go find your passion.